Hi guys, Andy here. If you've been searching for a car or keeping up with your local news, you may have heard of catalytic converters. But what are they exactly? How do they work? And what makes them so valuable? So much so that cat converter thefts are up 80% in 2021. Stay tuned and I'll answer your burning questions. A catalytic converter is part of your car's exhaust system, and it's designed to reduce harmful emissions by converting unburned hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxides into less harmful chemicals. This in turn helps our planet and helps us breathe easier by reducing smog and acid rain. Catalytic converters are located on the underside of a vehicle, and it looks like a large metal box with two pipes coming out of it. The two pipes and the converter chamber help split up the unsafe molecules and the gases that a car produces before they get released into the air. Gases are brought in from the input pipe connected to the engine of a vehicle. These are blown over the catalyst made from precious metals, which initiates a chemical reaction, a conversion, if you will, that breaks apart the pollutants. The less harmful gases now travel through the second pipe or the output that is connected to a car's tailpipe. Now, there has been speculation that a catalytic converter can reduce your car's horsepower, and some misinformed folks have actually removed them from their cars. Do not do this. You can seriously damage your car if you try and remove the cat, and you'd be doing it for nothing. Converters are designed to be efficient. Some even improve your vehicle's horsepower. The theft of catalytic converters have been making headlines over the past couple of years, with police departments nationwide and car insurance companies reporting a record surge of criminals stealing the part. What's the deal? The reason is the precious metals that act as the catalyst that cleans the car exhaust. Catalytic converters contain platinum, palladium, and rhodium, rare metals that have seen their value skyrocket over the past 2 years. The theft of a catalytic converter can be done in mere minutes by culprits, who can then resell the part to recyclers or salvage yards for between $50 and $250 per part. So what can you do to protect your catalytic converter? Apart from switching to an all-electric vehicle, here are a few things you can do to try and deter would-be thieves and avoid a catastrophe. When possible, it's best to park your car in a locked garage for obvious reasons. But if that isn't possible, try to make sure it's parked in a well-lit area or install motion sensor lights and security cameras. When you're in public parking garages and lots, park near the front of the building entrance or other areas where pedestrian traffic is high. Consider installing a catalytic converter anti-theft device in your vehicle. This could be as simple as a metal plate that gets welded onto the underside of your car, making the cat harder to get to and steal. Finally, you can consider engraving your VIN number and phone number into your catalytic converter. Making the component traceable could make a would-be thief think twice before targeting your cat converter. Have you ever had your cat stolen? Tell us a story in the comments below. And while you're down there, how about sharing this video with your pals? Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. Until next time.